Okay, 1, 2, 3. Y'all be good. I have that one and that one. I read that one. I'm reading that one right now. I read that one. I want that one. And that one I have. Oh, I brought that one with me. Gabriel needs a book for the trip. A little bit early. This super cute Korean Christmas tree. Sweet. Sweden.
There's one for every country.
I love it. Lithuania.
I've played as them Hearthstone before.
Nice. Happy day. What do you think, babe? What do you think?
Hey, we're not in Honduras. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Enjoying room service. Well, sort of. We got comped $800 each. Plus this swanky hotel room and extensive food vouchers to give up our tickets and fly out tomorrow. Fingers crossed that our luggage makes it with us. I'm having anxiety about that. But 60 pages into The Woods by Tana French, and yeah. So far it's pretty good. It's not like compulsively page turnery yet, but I think it's gonna get there. I'll keep you posted. Oh, and check out my new pajamas from the dollar store. These are high-end cozy.
Do I go for America's favorite tea or a sip of sunshine?
Sip of sunshine. So Delta gave us this little courtesy pack of toiletries, and look at the little brush. But look at the toothpaste. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Oh my gosh. Airport is dressed up for Christmas. We're under it, baby.
Yeah.
Baby. It's a sign. So, what a great walk. Recording this for later. Wow, this is so cool. Nice. Good job, Atlanta. Or maybe I need this one. In case my bags get lost. I got the Heartbeat of Wounded Knee. And I got a little nostalgia for Gabriel. Look, baby. Uh-huh. And got a little treat here, Hollow Kingdom. Honduras. So cool, look at all the roofs. Oh, wow. Hello. Hello, birdies. What's so pretty? Hey, a pretty birdie. Hey, a pretty birdie. What's so pretty? Oh, so pretty. Yeah? Yeah? You have a nice little garden, birdies. Yeah, look at that. We made it. And all of our luggage made it too. And it's everywhere. But we'll tidy up tomorrow. We're enjoying spending time with the family here in Honduras, and the sun came out, and sharing all of our chocolate with them. And I am almost to page 200, not quite halfway in the Woods by Tana French. And I think I'm just gonna go power read it while sitting on the couch with the family and everyone on their cell phone. They do that here too. It's all good. Yeah, I've reached the enthralled stage. I'm really liking the two main characters and then the sidekick, and it's one of those where you get immersed in the characters and, you know, wanting to see how their stories develop and their backstories, definitely. And I'm kind of getting this vibe that I think there's 5 of these. I think that each one is gonna look at one of the detectives' backstories, you know, while they're solving a case, which I'm really into. And this one is part of it's centered around an archaeological site in Ireland with the, I guess, Druids or something, an altar site, and yeah, that's pretty cool. And there might be a teeny weeny smidge of supernaturalness to it. And there's one really cool part that I read on the plane that I was like, wow, that explains Trump. Yeah, let me find that and share it with you. Okay, she said, we all need to believe in something, right? Why? I demanded. I found this both intriguing and mildly disconcerting. I am not religious, and as far as I knew, Cassie wasn't either. Oh, because we do. Every single society in the world ever has had some form of belief system. But now, how many people do you know who are religious, not just going to church, but actually Christian, like trying to do things the way Jesus would have? And it's not like people can have faith in political ideologies. Our government doesn't even have an ideology, as far as anyone can tell. I just meant there isn't one overall philosophy, so people have to make their own faith. I was thinking of the people who make a religion out of something completely different, like money. There it is, right there. Actually, that's the nearest thing the government has to an ideology. And I'm not talking about bribes, Sam. Nowadays, it's not just unfortunate if you have a low-paid job. Have you noticed? It's actually irresponsible. You're not a good member of society. You're being very, very naughty not to have a big house and a fancy car. Yeah. Polite silence. There you go. Yeah. Seems pretty relevant to the times to me. But this was published in 2007, so Tana French is a little bit ahead of the curve. She saw it coming. She saw it coming, guys.
Sounds good here?
Yep. This is a really cute father-son interaction. I just like it a lot. That's grand then, my father said, and turned the volume up again. We're going to church, and the fireworks are going to be all night long. Woohoo! Look what I found. The only new idea that can save humanity in the 21st century is that women take the direction of the world. Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Ooh. We're gonna sleep good tonight. Wow. Wow. Merry Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Did you see that Santa Claus found you?
I noticed all that.
Is it exciting?
Yeah, I'm really excited. I like those boxers. Where all this money come from? That's pretty cool. Good night under my fun shirt. Oh my god. That's a lot of beef jerky.
Find one that I can handle and open it up because I need a piece.
What about sweet and hot?
I don't think so.
Tender.
That sounds better. Didn't have enough last night. Little lizard. Returning to the scene of the crime with my trophy. Red horse fireworks from Honduras. So I have reached page 207. I have 122 pages left to go. And I'm becoming somewhat disillusioned with the novel. So our narrator's become somewhat of a stinky butt. He's got reasons, no doubt. But he's also starting to do this thing where he's kind of giving you hints about how it's going to end and that it's not going to end well. And yeah, I'm just not feeling that because, you know, when I read a romance novel, I want it to have a happy ending. And when I read a mystery novel, this might be an oxymoron or something to that effect, but I also want it to have a happy ending, you know, like be resolved pleasantly. And also it's starting to drag, so I think I might need to start power reading this one and get it over with. Yeah, I found that ending incredibly unsatisfying. So I'm going to end the vlog here so I can do the Natali thing and do one book per vlog. So on to the next read. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back soon. Bye.